Alright, so this was pretty straightforward to use. Just got 4, what does it say there? Is it AA or AAA? AA. AA batteries. Cool. I wish these things came with remotes that weren't pistol grip, but you know, can't have everything. You can't have everything. Let's take this cool little ship out of the box here, and it's very well packaged. I like how they did this, because hopefully everything is perfectly in good working condition now. Wow, this is a lot smaller than I thought it would be. It's very, very heavy, hefty. So I don't know about that. I think this is where you turn it until it pops open. There we go. Let's check out what it's got inside. It's got a nice battery in there, a little motor that pushes, I guess, air out of this thing, or water out of this thing, I don't know. The servo's there, and the ESC, everything looks pretty good.